Ecuador is one of the most diverse countries in the world with regard to nature and culture. It is located in South America, precisely in the middle of the world. In the Andes, which is one of its 4 natural regions, the beauty of its tourist attractions amazes all its visitors. The most important attractions in this region are found along the new Route of the Flowers. Honoring its commitment to innovation, Galacruises Expeditions is a tourist operator that promotes the Route of the Flowers to generate sustainable tourism based on the nature and culture that can be seen during the entire trip. The colonial city of Quito, the capital of Ecuador, is the starting point of this impressive route full of color, nature, and culture. We head toward the north of the province by land, and after about 2 hours, we come to the first landmark. The globe at the middle of the world is a symbol and witness to the crossing of the equator line here. As we continue along first-class highways that cut through captivating Andean scenery, on a clear day, it is possible to see the magnificent snow-capped peak of Mount Cayambe at 18,990 feet above sea level. Along the route, we will visit towns of friendly people who live peaceful lives along old streets and in the plazas, remaining true to their traditions and culinary attractions. The traditionally prepared delicious wheat biscuits called bizcochos are baked in wood-burning ovens in Cayambe. From the town of Cayambe, we can follow a road that passes through the flower-growing sector to see how socially responsible industries function and maintain their environmental certifications. You will have the opportunity to watch the entire process a rose must pass through in order to finally reach your hands and elicit your smile. The tour is didactic, and you will learn everything about what makes flowers from Ecuador the most admired by nature lovers the world over. On these same flower plantations, it is possible to admire samples of the most spectacular species produced by these different companies. On visits to haciendas and old colonial houses, it is frequent to see rooms decorated with the best flowers of the season. Here, you will be able to learn more about the local history while you admire the architecture of buildings several centuries old, such as the San Juan Mill, where its extraordinary museum takes us back 120 years. Nearby haciendas offer first-class lodging in colonial-style rooms and delicious food served in surroundings reminiscent of all the history that has taken place in their gardens or behind their thick walls. Continuing on, we come upon very attractive places of natural beauty. San Pablo Lake, at the foot of Mount Imbabura, offers its tranquil waters for water sports and its beauty for photographers. Another site you cannot miss seeing is Lake Cuicocha, at the foot of the Cotacachi volcano crater. The unique geography of this place is characterized by its complexity. Everyone who comes to the town of Cotacachi admires the craftsmanship apparent in the leather articles made here. Large stores and small shops offer beautiful top-quality articles. In the town of San Antonio de Ibarra, art is displayed in wood. The precision evident in the hand-carved wooden figures results in unique pieces that meet the standards for exhibition in the most important galleries in the world. Here, you can also visit workshops where local artists are working on both large and small sculptures. Sites like the Peguchi waterfall complement this trip. The water falls 50 meters through abundant plant life. Hiking here is refreshing and purifying. Along the Route of the Flowers, we come upon the well-known Otavalo culture. This ethnic group exhibits and offers for sale a virtual gallery of color in weavings and embroidery, produced with century-old techniques. This is a fascinating journey through time and the traditions of a culture that has been conserved for centuries. The Route of the Flowers is an incomparable trip that invites you to discover the cradle of the most beautiful, varied, and colorful roses and flowers that leave this place to make their way around the world to fulfill their mission of bringing happiness to the heart, or a smile or a tear to their recipient. In the company of Galacruises Expeditions, enjoy this unique experience in Ecuador, the land of flowers.